If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Greetings, my fine feathered geeks. Love and peace to all. Yep, Larry here for another pen review, pen show, whatever you like to call it. And here's a pen that I really enjoyed. And Mr. Announcer,
It is the Hong Dian, and it has written on it, The Light of Hope.
And I just love the texture on this barrel, not even mentioning the beautiful color on it as well. Got a nice clip, but sometimes they're hard to clip it in your pocket, and we'll say, not all that long. There we go, no problem. It really is pretty, so we just pull off the cap, and you can cap it on the bottom of the pen. Excuse me, or I have small hands, but anyway, this fits nicely either way in my hand. And it comes with a medium nib, and look at this beautiful nib. Same color as the pen. That looks pretty strapped, my friends. And we'll open it up. And it does come with a converter. And you push it back in. But always make sure you have your converter in nice and snug. You don't want the ink to fall out. Now the nib can unscrew out as well. So have you guys, excuse my voice, had any pens in mind that you have bought that you like or dislike? And remember this pen from the past? You know, I have several. Excuse me. It's a Pen Hangout pen. One of my favorite pens, Pen Hangout. And they are not pricey yet. And I'm looking for there it is, the Pen Hangout. Which it looks like the excuse me. Like salami. And it does come with the converter. And this has been around for some time now. And I do believe the price has gone up a little bit. Now, excuse me, nice little snap. Got the heat cups. This is a great starter pen. Doesn't cost much. This one, I think you can get it for under $30. And here's a pen by Fountain Pen Revolution. And you can get this pen for under $20, I believe. And I think this is a medium nib. Can you see? Now this, you can take off. Oh, excuse me, the grip section, and you can either cartridge, or you can put it in the converter, your favorite ink in there. And these are for people that like to see the color of the ink. To me, it makes no difference. Now, one of my favorite all-time inks is Bay State Blue. So here are 3 neat pens. Now, what's your thoughts on them? And before we go, let me see, I wanted to show you one thing. Can anybody on here tell me the name of this pen? It works like a radish poet. Got the cap for it on top, but the nib goes in the barrel. Let me take this off. I've had this for last year, I think. And it does come with a converter. You can put your own cartridge in, or you can ink it up. And I'm trying to find the name. But, nope. I'll have to look it up if nobody knows, but it's a pretty cool pen. They're not expensive. I think this was like under, what, $19? But anyway, my friends, that's going to do it for now. Now, excuse the pen review, because I'm not totally up to par yet, and I'm feeling kind of like this. Hiccups, yawning. So, before I go, what pen do you think is in this beautiful pen case? It should tell you. I know what the pen case is, but what pen is in it, you think? And I'll show you next time. All right, I gotta go take some medicine, go to bed. Yeah, I'm young, wild and free. All right, my friends, love each and every one of you. Remember, you're dynamite, baby. You be rocking the show. Peace and love, and we're done. Bye-bye.